Hello and welcome to the PT Board tutorial video for the announcement feature. Today we will walk through the process of creating an announcement. First, click the Create an Announcement button. You can either create an announcement with a design or a plain text announcement. If you choose to create an announcement with a design, you can either create your own layout by choosing one of these templates, or you can select one of the pre-designed templates. No matter which type of template you choose, you can always change images, edit text, add buttons, and more. For example, you can edit the paragraph however you would like by changing the font, color, and size. You may also add a link or create a numbered or bulleted list. With the button feature, you may create a button and link it to a website. If you would like to add more content, you can click the Add a New Row button on the bottom right. To rearrange the layout, you can move any section up or down with the up and down arrows, or delete a section with the delete icon. You can also create your border with your desired border width. You may select different colors such as your school's colors. Click Save and Continue to save the announcement as a draft, and you can either publish this announcement immediately or schedule a time to publish later on. If you would like to edit your announcement, you may do so at any time. On the top row, you will see different tabs. The Open tab will display the announcements already open to the public. The Schedule tab will show the announcements that are scheduled to be published, and the Draft tab will show the announcements that are still in draft mode. The Close tab displays the announcements that have expired but are still able to be republished at any time. By clicking the hamburger menu icon for any announcement, you can add an attachment, edit the announcement, schedule a publish time, and more. With the test email option, you can send a test email to yourself, the principal, or another board member to review and approve your announcement before you publish the announcement to the whole school. You can also create a new announcement by making a copy of a previous announcement, editing it, and then publishing it. This feature helps save time since you don't have to create similar announcements from scratch. To temporarily close or permanently delete an announcement, click the Close or Delete button. Thank you for watching. Please check out the announcement feature for yourself, and if you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.